Hey everybody, it's Kyle with Devoted Plumbing again. I am back with these water heaters with this Ruud gas, or this Delta gas valve. The water heaters are Ruud, Richmond, and Rheem. Anyhow, here's the new one they sent. And what they've told me is that this little white piece right here tends to be the problem. And so what the manufacturer instructed was to remove that from here and run the thermocouple back up in there, and that would solve the problem temporarily. So, like I said in the last video, I anticipated this other water heater would go out, and sure enough it did, right in the same time frame. So that is what we've done. We've removed that little piece there. They said this is like a single-use fuse that tends to go bad, and so by bypassing that, they said it'll work temporarily. The water heater will operate until there's time to replace the gas valve itself. I'm going to attempt to replace the gas valve and show you how that's done, but this may or may not work. Alright, so I've already removed all the pieces and the gas line and everything. We shut the water off to the tanks themselves, drain the line from the lowest point in the house, then shut the water off to create a vacuum. Now we need to remove this gas valve and install this one. I had some extra pipe dope on there just because that's how I like to do it. I cover the gas fill tubes and everything with a cloth because some water's going to come out of there, but you don't want to get any inside that pilot tube or the burner tube, so I like to keep those covered. We'll have a little bit of water, but hopefully not very much. You need a big pipe wrench for this. Just get it a little loose, and then you can do it by hand. Ooh, this water's hot. That is essentially how that is done. We got a little bit of water, but not a ton. I am going to tighten that up with the pipe wrench, reassemble it, and then kick it on and make sure it lights. Alright, so we've got it reassembled, we've got the gas turned on, now it's time to relight it. Alright, so it is lit. Once the pilot's lit, you can hold it for about 60 seconds or so, and this should fire on, or it should stay lit when we take off the pilot button, and then it should fire up just like normal. And just like that, we are done swapping out that gas valve. It is turned on and heating. Hopefully that's the end of the concerns with this one. Hopefully these new gas valves are a better design, but we'll see. We'll have to call on this next one now.